The 20th anniversary edition Jeeps come with a ton of great extras, like a revised 7-slot grille, beadlock-capable alloys, an 83-piece toolkit, a triple hoop grille guard, steel bumpers, a half-inch suspension elevation, and 20th anniversary decals. They are available on the 2023 Wrangler Rubicon 4Z plug-in hybrid, and the 470 horsepower V8-powered 392 variants. The 4Z 20th anniversary version also comes with 33-inch BFGoodrich All-Terrain T KO2 tires mounted on beadlock-capable 17 by 7.5-inch wheels. Leather in the interior is red and black. The anniversary Wrangler's off-road capabilities are enhanced by a front-mounted integrated off-road camera, and heavy-duty steel rock sliders. The 392 20th anniversary version also includes the Xtreme Recon package, which includes a slightly wider set of 35-inch KO2 tires, 17 by 8.0-inch wheels, a 4.56 rear axle ratio, an onboard air compressor, the first from the manufacturer, and a variety of other Mopar enhancements. Also, the Jeep team worked with American Expedition Vehicles, AV, to provide 37-inch BFGoodrich All-Terrain T KO2 tires as an optional upfitting that is only available on 150 vehicles, the largest rubber Jeep has ever offered. It also has bumpers, a skid plate, off-road lighting, an EVE-specific suspension with a 2.5-inch lift, and more. With all that extra height, the Jeep has a 14.2-inch increase in ground clearance, a 37.1-inch water fording capacity, a 50-degree approach angle, a 33-degree breakover angle, and a 43-degree departure angle. The EVE upfit for the 4Z costs $22,978, while the 392 costs $21,130. These EVE upcharge amounts are in addition to the 20th anniversary model's base pricing, which start at $71,380 for the 4Z and $92,690 for the 392 and increase to $94,358 and $113,820, respectively, when the EVE packages are added. Later this month, a small number of commemorative Jeeps will be made available for purchase. The Toledo Assembly Complex will start producing both models this quarter, and the first vehicles will hit the streets in Q2 2023.